On July 22, 2025, Laiwu District in Jinan, Shandong Province was hit by a once-in-a-century torrential downpour. Severe flash floods struck several villages in Dawangzhuang Town, resulting in at least 2 deaths and 10 missing persons, sparking widespread concern. In this episode, we'll follow the camera to see just how severe the disaster is. It's 12:40 a.m. and it's still raining heavily. I'm at the northernmost end of No Shadow Mountain North Road. A word of warning to all my friends, taxi drivers, electric bikers, and motorcycle riders, don't go to this area, okay? You can't afford it if your car breaks down here. It's already flooded, see? The manhole cover, along with the warning sign we just put up, has burst open. No kidding, it's right here. It's huge. Follow my camera to see what the first scene looks like. Don't let him go there. Don't move. There's a sewer over here. It's open. Look, it's open. It's okay. Don't go any further. It's deeper. It's 10 a.m. on July 22nd, and I'm in Duo Village, Zhangchu area, Jinan City. Does anyone know this place? Upstream of this place is Stone Gorge Village, the Hung River, and South Bright Bridge. Yesterday, Jinan City had a heavy rainstorm. Last night, I think all the rain reached Zhangchu and Laiwu. Look, the water has already flooded the bridge. Jinan residents who want to play in the water, don't come. Oh my goodness, look at this. The roads have completely collapsed and the signal is down. Come back, come back, come back. No, it's too dangerous. Indeed, the water is going to wash you away. I'm telling you not to go. The water's too high. No, don't go. Don't go, don't go. Oh, please be careful. Oh my god, 2 cars are flooded. I can't get home. Have you seen it? It's up to my waist and the water's still bubbling in. Look how scary it is. Look at the water. My car is flooded. My car is flooded. Oh my god. The flash floods triggered by heavy rainfall in Jinan, Shandong Province on July 22nd turned many villages upside down. One villager, nearly 50 years old, said he had never seen such a devastating flood in his life. He had always assumed that even heavy rain had a limit, but this time it's beyond imagination. The floods tore through the area like a raging beast, collapsing houses, cutting off roads, and overturning cars like toys. No one has predicted that peaceful life would be shattered so quickly. Villagers were still asleep when the roar of the flood startled them, and in their panic they only managed to escape. Houses that had been their home for generations were instantly submerged, and some even completely washed away. Epic downpours have also hit other cities in Shandong Province in recent days. Numerous online videos show that many city streets have become rivers from light rain and swamps from heavy downpours. Flooded streets are everywhere, creating a chaotic scene and causing widespread distress among residents. Oh my, it's become an ocean. Those cars are like boats. Do you see that? They really are like boats. Look at it, my friend. It's raining in Hezhe, and even the underground garage has become an ocean. Want to know where this is? How many residential communities like this are there in Hezhe City? They become rivers. Look at this hospital in Hezhe City. This is Mudan Hospital. It's become an ocean. The security guards are ankle deep in the water. The people working in the security office are ankle deep in the water. The security guards are working so hard. It's become an ocean. It's become a vast ocean inside the hospital. The government departments should also take care of this. Oh my, that's what it means to accomplish your mission. Come and see the heavy rain. After the rain, take a look at Lashan Road in the city center. Look over there. I wonder which leader is elegantly gazing at this beautiful scenery. Look, all the cars are paralyzed. Oh, so many rescue vehicles just arrived. So many rescue vehicles. If you have any cars nearby, move them out quickly. It's basically a day off now. People can't go to work. See, my little bedroom and office are in this state. What should I do? Look at the mess. So, leave it as it is.
搞得还挺大的，越来越黑暗，路都冲蓝了。那边冲不了，黑暗都冲塌了，我操，这路都冲断了。
Cities in northern China are suffering from heavy rains, while southern cities are being hit hard by the typhoon. Over the past few days, Typhoon Wipha has swept across China's southern coastal areas, bringing strong winds and flooding to cities like Guangdong and Hainan. Airport flights have been disrupted, high-speed rail services have been suspended, and streets have been flooded. Wow, did you see how strong the wind was? The trees are blown down. It feels so oppressive, it's terrifying. This typhoon is terrifying.
太可怕了，这个10号风球太可怕了。村民大厦 ，FC。
Did you see how strong this typhoon is? I'm so scared to go home. My car is smashed and there are tons of downed trees everywhere on the road. It's horrible. Look, it's so windy here. No one can walk. Come here. Wow, look at that boat. At around 4 p.m., Typhoon Wipha officially made landfall in the North Sea. Our home is only about 2 minutes from the coast. The wind is so strong. Rice fields are flooded. Luckily, they harvested the rice 2 days ago. Wow, did you see that? He dropped a tree. How dangerous. From the delivery guy's perspective, it can show you the destructive power of Typhoon Wipha. Wow, there are trees everywhere. They're falling. Trees everywhere. The road is covered in branches, and you have to be careful because they might fall at any moment. The wind is so strong. This wind. Please turn your attention to Fujian Province. Fujian has suffered a once-in-a-century flood disaster. Roads have been washed away, homes have been destroyed, and the people of Fujian have been displaced. Wherever you are from, please give the people of Fujian a cheer. Fellow Fujianese, you will survive this disaster safely. Fujian is safe. Come on, Fujian. Everyone is safe in the face of disaster. That's all for today. If you enjoy our content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time.